I have undergone through rhinoplasticity with Dr. Manisha Kapoor. The results I have been getting on the concurrent days are the ones that I actually was desiring. Now, the procedure went fine. I did not have any pain, any trouble even after the procedure was laid out. For one day, yes, I was here, and the staff was very helpful in whatever that you might be having problem with. It might be food, it might be you are having problem with getting up on the bed, because you go through the procedure in general anesthesia, so you might be having some dizziness after the procedure has been done and you are awake. Now after that, within 2 to 3 days to 5 days, my cast was removed, and I was really relieved by how actually the structure of my bone was made into. So how I got to know about Dr. Manisha Kapoor is because I was researching through very thoroughly about rhinoplasticity, and I have consulted a very handful of doctors, and they were like, we won't be able to proceed with the look that you want to achieve, because the complexity of the bone that you already have is a very hard one to be able to manipulate. Now, after consulting Dr. Manisha Kapoor, she was actually the one that made me hope that it is achievable by saying this, that she is going to do this and that, laid out the procedures and laid out every technicality in that, and that was very helpful. She was very confident, and I was very happy to be able to start with the procedure in that case. So within 2 days, yes, there will be pain, there will be restrictions in the movement, there will be restrictions in very hardcore restrictions to what you can and cannot do, even in 1 month. But yes, the results that you will get is a par. These results are as par as you can get in any foreign countries, say US or Turkey or Japan. So we are very to me, I'm very privileged to be in Delhi and to have a doctor like her that is able to graft such results in such a short span. You will not be able to believe that the result guarantee that she does in 11 days. The second part of of what I want to testify would be, if anyone is suffering through cleft lip, cleft palate, they also have issues with the nose. Now visit Dr. Manisha Kapoor. She very good doctor to be able to help you with that, with all the analysis, and with all the you will be able to understand your bone structure really well, and what she is going to do with that very thoroughly. So my results in 12 days are very satisfying. I'm very thankful to Dr. Manisha Kapoor and the staff in here.
Cleft nose means since birth he had a bilateral cleft, because of which his nose was very wide. There was no tip definition and no projection. Now you can see the on table result. There is a nice tip, both the elas are symmetrical, and if you see the profile view, there is a beautiful tip that has been achieved with the columnar strut and shield graft. The moment the swelling settles down, the nose is gonna look and turn out better. So I have to do a little bit of lip correction also, that I have decided to do once the nose heals. Then we're gonna do the lip correction. For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.